Aria held her brush, but her hand trembled. The colors on her canvas were dim, mirroring the doubts that clouded her mind. She longed to create something beautiful, but her fear held her back, whispering that her art was not enough. Then a gentle voice whispered, soft as a breeze, "Let your true colors freely flow." The words echoed in Aria's heart. A spark ignited within her. She realized that her art wasn't about perfection, but about expressing the beauty she saw within herself. With newfound courage, Aria painted with abandon. Her colors danced across the canvas, and as they did, the world around her began to transform. The forest awakened, creatures emerged, and the sky shimmered with newfound light. Aria's art was no longer just paint on canvas. It was a living, breathing world. As Aria's confidence grew, her art led her to hidden wonders. A crystal cave shimmering with light revealed itself before her. With each stroke of her brush, gems appeared, their warm hues dancing like embers. Mirrors reflected her creations, transforming them into mesmerizing kaleidoscopes. The cave echoed with the magic of her imagination. Aria, eager to share her newfound joy, painted a magnificent bird. And together, they soared through the sky towards the dwelling of the Dreamweaver, a wise being who held the secrets of imagination. "Your imagination is a gift, child," the Dreamweaver said, her voice filled with warmth. "Don't let fear dim its light. Paint your dreams with a joyful heart." Aria understood. Creativity wasn't a gift reserved for the select few. It was a skill, a muscle that grew stronger with practice. And with each stroke, she realized the power of her imagination to transform not only her world, but herself. Friends, I spent years believing I wasn't creative, but I learned that creativity is a journey, a skill you develop like learning to shoot a basketball. So find joy in the simple things, treasure the inspiration around you, and never stop dreaming. Embrace your inner artist and let your imagination paint the world with light. Please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. And remember, the adventure never ends. See you again real soon. Bye now.